In this video, we'll take the user's perspective and demonstrate how to print from within a user session, and then release the document using the UniPrint vPad. For demonstration purposes, we'll be using the software version of the vPad device, also known as the SecurePrint emulator, but the interface is similar to that of the vPad device itself. We'll start by connecting to an application server through RDP, where we'll open a Word document and then select the UniPrint VP queue or virtual print queue. We'll set a SecurePrint password and then print it. Then on the vPad, we'll authenticate and show you how to change printer properties. Finally, we'll demonstrate how to clear the SecurePrint password from memory. But before we start, let's go through what happens to your print job after you click Print. First, an ICA or RDP session is established by logging into the application server. A license is checked out of the license server, which in our case is the bridge. From an open application, you select the UniPrint VPQ as your printer and then click Print. A PDF is generated on the application server, where it is then transferred to the bridge. The bridge also holds the SecurePrint data store, and therefore stores the PDF until it can be released. When you're ready to print to a printer, you then go to the vPad device and then authenticate using your SecurePrint password. This instructs the SecurePrint data store to release and transfer the PDF to the appropriate print server, which in our case is in the same location. A RAW file is created using the native printer driver installed on the print server. Since RAW files are printer model dependent, it is then transferred to the appropriate printer for printing. Now let's go to a Windows 7 workstation to log into the application server. Double-click Remote Desktop Connection. Enter the IP address of an application server and then click Connect. Now that we're in a user session, open up a document to print. Double-click lorem-ipsum.doc. To print, click the File tab. Click Print. The UniPrint VPQ has already been set as our default printer, but before clicking Print, we'll need to set a SecurePrint password. This is the password that you'll enter into the vPad device to release your documents to print. To set a SecurePrint password, click Printer Properties. Click the SecurePrint tab. Select Enable SecurePrint, and then enter a password. Enter the password again to confirm. If you don't want to enter a password each and every time you print something, select Remember My Password. Click OK to clear the warning message. Click OK again, and then click Print. Let's minimize this session window to return to the vPad. Enter your user ID. In our case, it is J. Gibbs. Click the username. Select the document to print. You can either print directly to the default printer set on the vPad, which in our case is the Lexmark T520, or you can select a different printer. To select a different printer, click Print. You'll be prompted to enter your SecurePrint password. Since we entered 1234, let's switch to the numerical keypad. And then click OK. If, for example, the default printer, which in our case is the Lexmark T520, is too busy printing out a large document, you can then select a different printer to print your document to. Click to select HP LaserJet M4345 MFP. To make changes to the settings, such as the number of copies to print, click Settings. But we're fine with these settings, so click Cancel. To apply printer profiles, click Profiles. Click to select a profile and then click Apply. We're fine with the default profile set for this printer, so click Print. The print job will disappear from the Current Jobs tab, and it should appear in the Printed Jobs tab. Click the Printed Jobs tab. This tab allows you to reprint documents that have already been printed. To print the document again, select the document, and then either click Print Direct to print to the Lexmark T520, or click Print to select a different printer. Let's go back to our RDP session. We're going to print again, except this time, instead of printing to the UniPrint VPQ, we'll be printing to a gateway printer. Click the File tab. Click Print. Change the printer to a gateway printer. Gateway printers are indicated with randomly generated hash numbers. These hash numbers ensure uniqueness between printers, since it is possible to have more than one printer of the same model in your company. Click to select HP LaserJet M4345 MFP. To change printer properties and to set your SecurePrint password, click Printer Properties. Click the SecurePrint tab. Since we select to remember my password, SecurePrint remembers that our password is 1234. Click the Print Handling tab. You could select a printer profile on the vPad, or you can select it before you click Print. Click to select double-sided and stapled. If you're unsure which profile to use, just select it and a description of the profile will appear below. If it's not the right profile, select a different profile. We want to apply the double-sided and stapled profile. Click OK. Click Print. Close Lorem Ipsum. And then minimize the session window to return to the vPad. Enter your user ID. And then click your username. Click to select the print job. This print job is set to print directly to the HP LaserJet M4345 MFP printer with the double-sided and stapled profile applied, which is what we wanted. Click Print Direct. Since our password is 1234, change to the numerical keypad. Enter the password. And then click OK. The print job will be cleared from the Current Jobs tab. Your password will be remembered even if you log off your session and log back in again. So if you forget it, you'll have to reset your SecurePrint password. Let's go back to our RDP session. To reset your SecurePrint password, right-click the UniPrint icon in the notification area. Select Clear Saved Secure Password. And then click Yes to confirm. Open up a document again. And print it. Now that your SecurePrint password has been cleared, you'll have to set it again. Click Printer Properties. Click the SecurePrint tab. Click Enable SecurePrint. Enter in your password as you did before and then use it to release your print job to a printer. We don't want to actually print, so click Cancel. Thank you for watching this short video. Hopefully this video has demonstrated how easy it is to set up a SecurePrint password and then use it to release a document on the vPad. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our friendly and helpful support analysts at support@uniprint.net.